In this video, you'll learn how to add a voice to ElevenLabs Voice Lab. By following these steps, you will successfully create a custom voice for your text-to-speech projects, enhancing the overall experience of your audio content. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to ElevenLabs.io once the website loads. Look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. If prompted, enter your account credentials, including your email and password, then click the login button to access your account. After successfully logging in, locate the Voice Lab section in the main menu. This section may be displayed prominently on the homepage or within a drop-down menu. Click on Voice Lab to enter this area. Once in the Voice Lab, you will see options to either add voice or create new voice. Choose one of these options to start the voice creation process. Next, you will need to decide how you want to create the voice. If you choose to clone a voice, prepare a clear audio recording of someone speaking, ideally lasting between 10 to 30 seconds. Upload this recording by following the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, if you prefer to design a voice, write a brief description that captures the characteristics you desire. For example, you might describe the voice as adult female, calm, friendly, natural US English voice. This description will guide the system in generating the voice you envision. Once you've made your selection, you will be presented with a preview of the voice. Take this opportunity to listen to the sample provided. If you wish to make adjustments, you can modify settings such as style, stability, and similarity. These adjustments allow you to fine-tune the voice to better match your requirements, ensuring that it meets your expectations. After finalizing your adjustments and being satisfied with the preview, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click on Save to store your new voice. This action confirms that your voice is now ready for use in text-to-speech applications, enabling you to incorporate it into your projects effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.